So guys, what's up? It is hair maintenance day. I am so excited. Today is a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to y'all. We're heading to the hairdresser. We're going to do a bust down center straight middle part here. Like, that's my signature look. Straight hair. Like, straight hair is the love of my life. Okay, one of the love of my life, and I haven't worn that in a few months, I should say. So that was pretty rare. So we're gonna head there to the hairdresser right now to get our hair done. I do want to stop at the gas station to get some coffee. Haven't had anything from morning. It's after 1 in the afternoon. So coffee. I had made some chicken pasta last time, so I have some of that to have. So I'm gonna get the coffee at the gas station and orange juice, and I have my lunch while I'm at the hairdresser, and I have me a bottle of water as well. So we're gonna head to the hairdresser. When y'all see me, you see me with this bust down look. And let's get this vlog started. Guys, the hair is giving. What y'all think? I tell you, straight bust down middle center is my signature look, and me doing this again, like you're gonna be tired of me in this hairstyle, unless if you see me go back in my curly. That means I'm giving my hair a break. But oh, it looks so good, right? Anyways, I'm heading home to cook. So I'm gonna do some cooking tonight. I have breasts in the freezer. I have chop suey. Is it? Yes, I'm gonna cut up that and do some chop suey. And I have sweet potato. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I think I have Irish too, so I'm gonna drop the Irish in at the ear. No, I have boiled Irish. So I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna cook tonight. I am still working, by the way. But yeah, I'm here listening to some Christmas music. I'm dreaming. Yeah, I'm here listening to some Christmas songs. So I will catch you guys when I'm home. It's 4:42 right now, and I'm in traffic. Hopefully there's not much traffic on Riddles Road. I'm on Mullines Road right now, and there's traffic on Mullines Road. Hopefully there's not much traffic on Riddles side. So food is still, the chicken is in the so the chicken is in the air fryer. I did the pop chow on the stove, and like I said, I had sweet potato, and I have Irish, boiled Irish, and baked sweet potato. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, if you're not Jamaican, comment down and let me know if you're Jamaican. You see, if you aren't Jamaican, you're just missing out. Oh, hold on, the light is falling. Yeah, so what I was saying, y'all, like if you aren't Jamaican, you are missing out. There's so, let me tell you, when it comes down to the internet in Jamaica, when it comes down to Jamaica TikTok, there is so much stuff that you can just look up. Just type in Jamaica TikTok. For all my overseas viewers, just type in, I shouldn't even bring you guys into our, well, it's on the internet, so why not? Type in Jamaica TikTok and you will see so many stuff that has been going on. Like there's some serious stuff, of course, which just should not be put out on the internet, but people business is so entertaining. Do you guys agree? Like it is so wrong, but people business is entertaining. There's stuff with two influencer, well, an influencer girl and her ex, and then I think you guys know, I don't even want to bring up the name of my channel because it's not that type of a channel. But if you type in Jamaica TikTok, you will know what is happening in Jamaica right now. Listen, moral of the story between the influencer and her ex, like you got to be careful who you're sleeping with. You got to be careful of the partner, the boyfriend, the husband, the person that you choose to lie down with, the person you choose to live with, to have kids with. Like it's so serious. Like somebody can turn on you in like a blink. Like I'm just thankful, like all of my like past relationships, there's no blowout on the internet. Well, I'm not an influencer, so my business will never be on the internet. And even if I was an influencer, that would never ever happen. Like my business will never be on the internet. And all the past men that I've been with, they don't do internet drama. So that shit will never catch me. Never say never. But it is just crazy that you can be with somebody today and then y'all break up and then your business is outside. Sad. But what's on the agenda for tonight? I'm gonna show her right now. I do need to, you see, specifically my hair. I am working tonight. Yeah, I'm working late. So there's some stuff that needs updated. So I'm helping with that. Oh, I'm at 2,278 subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I hope you guys do not unsubscribe, and I hope you guys stay and comment and like my videos. Anyway, so what was I saying? Yeah, I do have work tonight, but yeah, I'm gonna just shower, eat, and then to work. I don't know what this vlog is. This vlog was supposed to be a maintenance, but guys, I still not have booked my nails appointments, and I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I know I need a pedicure. Like a pedicure is sorry y'all, a pedicure is essential. Like it's needed on my feet right now. So I need to figure that out. So maybe depending on how I feel tomorrow, I get up and ask my nail tech if she can do a pedicure. But today is Wednesday and Christmas is next week, so y'all know like appointments are gonna be booked. Everybody's gonna be booked, and I'm a type of person I don't like to wait. Once I book my appointment, I just want to go there and I'm in line for my appointment. Like anyways, let me go finish up dinner and shower.